Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making microwave mug confetti cake. Let's learn the ingredients. We'll need 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 beaten eggs, half cup of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, pinch of salt, half a cup of sugar, and some sprinkles. First, in a mixing bowl, we will mix together melted butter and eggs. I'm using a separate bowl here. You can also do this in the same mug in which you're going to microwave it. Now add milk, vanilla extract, add sugar and mix it well. For the written recipe, go to my blog. You can find the link in the description box below. Now add flour and salt and mix it all together. I upload videos every other day, so make sure to subscribe for regular updates. Once it's completely mixed, then add the confettis. And then mix it in. Now I'll transfer this batter into the mug. I'm using a large mug here. This batter will be perfect for 2 medium-sized cups. And now microwave this for about 5 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on it. Once it's completely done, take it out and let it rest for about few minutes. And then serve with some icing and sprinkles. I hope you like the recipe. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.